Hello everyone, and in this video we will learn to use the rank formula. Well, what does the rank formula do? It allows you to find the rank or the relative position of a number in a given range. For example, we can find which is the highest number in this series and how does it rank in compared to other numbers. For example, like we want to find these are the points that these students have got, and we want to find out who is first, second, third, and fourth, and so on. We will use the rank formula. It has three versions. I'll teach you all three. So we'll first use the rank original version. It says returns the rank of a number in a list of numbers, its size relative to other values in the list. So we type in the formula rank, we open the brackets, and it says number. The number means the number which you want to compare or rank in comparison with other numbers. And it says reference. Reference would be the range of numbers with which we want to compare it. Comma, 0 is for descending, 1 is for ascending. That means if the lowest number would be given So 0 is for descending and 1 is for ascending order. So let's type in 0 for descending order. So 27 ranks as 8th in this data set. All right. Now we have two 27s, one here, one here. We'll see what happens. Let's try to copy this form. Now, while we're trying to copy this formula, we'll also learn how to edit a formula using the F2 key. You press the F2 key, you move into the edit mode, and we will select this range and fix it using F4. What happens? It places a dollar mark just before the column symbol and just before the row symbol. So columns are represented by the alphabets and rows are represented by the numbers. So what would happen now? If we copy this formula, everything else would be used as reference and changed appropriately except the range. So if you see over here, the number is D6, but over here it becomes D7, over here it becomes D8, over it becomes D9, which is perfectly all right, but this doesn't change the rule. It is D6 to D14, D6 to D14, if you see over here, D6 to D14. So now we were able to copy this formula, and we see that duplicate values get the same rank. All right. So 1, the rank of 89 is 1, 79 is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. 27, they both get 8. If I make this also 27, what happens? They all get 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So all of these three become 7. Now, let's use the other option. Let's delete this formula and use the other option. Rank EQ. What did it say? Well, returns the rank of a number in a list of numbers, its size relative to other values in the list. If more than one value has the same rank, the top rank of that set of values is returned. So we select this .eq, bracket open. It works in the same manner. Give it a number, give it a reference. Let's use F4 again, fix it, comma, and let's use 0. Let's enter and copy this formula across. The result still becomes the same. They have relevant values. Now, let's see if this also is 27. There is no change. They become 7. So there is hardly any difference between rank and rank EQ. And let's find rank.avg is equal to rank. Let's use a different method. Sign. Let's select the cells wherein we want to have this formula, and now we start typing in a formula rank avg It says till here the same. If more than one value has the same rank, the average rank is returned. Okay, let's select this, and we want the value for. So we want to have the rank for this number, comma, the range would be its range, comma, 0, close the bracket, and now let's press Control and Enter key together. So the formula gets entered in all these cells. However, the reference range is changing, so it's not good, not the best way. So I'll go into edit mode and I will go ahead and fix it by using F4 key, and I'll copy this formula. I don't see any difference between rank ABG also. So this is how we use the rank formula to give assigned ranks to numbers in comparison to their other counterparts in the sheet. See you in the next video.